Hey everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is a very special Fold of the Week Holiday Spectacular. We're dedicating the entire month of October to creative ideas for holiday cards. This is your opportunity to start planning and to do something fun and creative and memorable to send out to everybody for the holidays this year. So, first up is a piece I'm so excited about. This is from my friends at Slate Group in Lubbock, Texas. This was designed by Candace Parsons for Client Junior League of Lubbock. And this is a rectangular twist fold. So if you watch Fold of the Week, I've shown twist folds over the years. Twist folds are always square. And so that means square envelopes, mailing surcharges for square mail. And what's wonderful about this is they created a twist fold in a rectangular proportion. So you still get the wow factor of a twist with the economy of better postage because of the proportion. So I'll open this up for you. It's just so cool. It's got a shimmery flat gold foil stamp. It says "'Tis the Season." I coordinated my shirt this week for this one. So it opens up. This is an event invitation, actually, and it swirls to open. So it's got that classic twist fold composition. So that is kind of angled and parallel scores working with each other to twist down. And so it doesn't lose anything in that modification. It really still has all of the wow factor of a classic square twist. These were printed on 100-pound gloss text with an UV soft touch coating. Score, flat foil stamp, hand fold. They did about 3,700 of these. So well done. So that's idea number one of our holiday spectacular. I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Rectangular twist fold. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. Viewers, please send me your folds if I use them. I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for fold samples, style lines, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.